So let me show you how to install or add an image slider. So go to plugins, add new plugin, and at the top search for ultimate responsive image slider. Enter. Once you have the search results, on the left hand side top you will find ultimate responsive image slider plugin. Okay, and there's one more plugin which is smart slider 3, which you can practice later, and I believe the smart slider 3 option or the smart slider 3 plugin is better than the one that we are going to explore right now. But it is very important for us to first understand the concept, and then later on, once we are well versed with the concept, then we can keep on experimenting with other plugins. Okay, just an additional note that there's one more plugin which is called as Meta Slider, and that is also quite good as compared to the current plugin. So first let us explore the current plugin, which is Ultimate Responsive Image Slider, and then later on you can explore Smart Slider or Meta Slider as well. So let us go ahead and install Ultimate Responsive Image Slider and activate it. For that we'll need to hit the install now button. Once the plugin is installed, you will find activate button. Now in order to make the plugin functional, you need to activate the plugin, and once we activate the plugin, this plugin will create a section on the left hand side somewhere in the dashboard area. Activate. Now once we activate the plugin, you will find UR image slider, a section over here, right? So whenever you install any plugin, it usually creates a section on the left hand side. Now in order to create a new slider, you'll have to go to UR image slider and select add new slider option. Once you have this in front of you, we will start adding a nice title. Once we add the title, then we'll need to add images. So select the add new slide option to add new images in the slide. Once we select this, we can either upload images directly over here and make sure that the size of the image is less than 512 MB, or else we can use previously used images by going to the media library section. So go to the media library section, and these are the images that we have used in the past. So we can select multiple images at a time just by hitting the control button and the click button. Okay, so select multiple images and select the insert option, and as you can see, the images are added to the slider. Okay, now if you're looking for high definition, high resolution images, stock images or vector images, there's this website freepik.com, and this website has the best collection of vector images. Then there is pexels.com. This is another website, and the third one is pixabay.com. So these are the three websites which offer you high quality, high resolution images absolutely for free. Okay, and these websites are widely used for downloading free images, which can be used on social media sites, on websites. It is used by businesses, by big brands, by startups, by graphic designers. Okay, and so these are the websites which provide you the best quality images, stock images as well as vector images for free. Back to the slider interface, the backend, and these are the images that I've added. Additionally, you can add a nice title to the slide, right? You can add a description to the slide, okay, title as well as the description. Let me just copy paste and make a few changes. And if you want, you can use the rich text editor, which has slightly more editing options as compared to the regular editor. From here you can add new slides, and on the right you can publish whatever you have done so far, the slides that you have created. Let us publish. Once the slider is published, below you will find a short code. Simply copy the short code and we are going to paste it where our content is. It can be in a post or it can be in pages. Let us go to pages and all pages, and I'll select the about us page. Assume that we want to add the slider to the about us page. We first need to add a new block, so select the plus sign to add a new block, and we are going to select the custom HTML block. Okay, you will find it in the formatting option. So paste the code, the short code, and update the page. Once the page is updated, view the page, go to the front end, and there you go. And this is the slider that we have just created. Can you see the title and the description? Okay, and so this is how the slider looks like. This is the outcome. If you click the arrow option, the image will change. If you click this option, it will expand like this. It will give you a full screen experience.